See, I am taking topic vector addition using parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram law of vector addition. This is very, very important for vector addition. Very important concept for in chapter vectors. Okay, and see, in class 11th you will learn many other law also to calculate vector addition, component method, triangle law, polygon law. But when you are entering in class 11th, you must at least you must know this parallelogram law based on geometry, completely geometry. What is this? Two vectors. Suppose I have to add two vectors a plus b. What will be its value? Okay. If magnitude of a is say 20 unit, a may be anything. A may be force, a may be velocity, a may be any vector quantity. Okay, momentum. Magnitude of b is 8 unit. Okay, and you have to add it. What will be the values? Magnitude. Can you write directly 20 plus 8, 28? This will be wrong. Vectors are not added directly. You have to apply some law, different law for vectors. Okay, you can't add. In fact, I have already told you a plus b magnitude will have magnitude lying between 20 plus 8 and between 20 minus 8. Between these two point limit, anything will come as a sum of vectors. Okay, that depends on angle. Depends on angle between vectors. Angle between vectors. Okay. So 28 is also right, but for one angle. There may be many other possibilities. I am redrawing it. This is 20 unit. This is 8 unit. This will be 28 unit. 20 plus 28 unit. Right. Okay, directly added. When two vectors are along same direction, angle is 0 degree. But when two vectors are directed in opposite direction, what will be sum? 20 Newton is in this direction, 8 Newton in this. 20 and 8. Both will cancel out each other. Already you are doing vector addition, but values are cancel out. Cancel out. Okay. So 20 minus 8. This will be 12 unit. 20 minus 8. This is 20 plus 8. So you have already known these two limits. When it will be 20 plus 8, when it will be 20 minus 8. When it is 180 degree, this is 180 degree, opposite direction 180 degree. Okay. But what about 90 degree? 20 and 8. What about 90 degree? What about acute angles? Say 60 degree. What about obtuse angles? I'm redrawing. 120 degrees. What will be the sum? The solution is very simple. If two vectors are like this, and I am explaining parallelogram law. You have to draw parallelogram. Two vectors are at angle theta. Theta may be 90, may be acute, may be obtuse. Anything. Two vectors are at angle theta. One magnitude is L1, one magnitude is L2. Okay. The sum will be represented as diagonal. Sum will be, this is magnitude of, sum is sum of vectors R is diagonal length. Sum of two vectors is nothing but the diagonal made up from these two vectors. Okay, diagonals made up from these two vectors. Okay, you draw the first, you draw the parallelogram, then you make the diagonal and find out the length of diagonals. Okay, and already I have told you that length of diagonal is L1 square, L2 square, 2 L1, L2 cos theta. Okay, this will be the sum. This will be the sum. Okay, put value theta equal to 0 degree. Put value theta equal to 0 degree. You will get L1 plus L2. And put theta equal to 90 degree. Theta equal to 90, cos 90 is 0. This will become 0. Answer will be over L1 square plus L2 square. You already know from Pythagoras. If 8, 8, so this will be 20 square plus 8 square. This will be the sum of these two vectors whose magnitude is 20 and 8 unit respectively. So sum of two vectors can have any answer that depends on angle between these two vectors. That is very important. Okay.